Yo, what is good, gang? How are we? Okay, yeah. We have news. It's not too good news. I don't expect much from today, to be honest. Just because there isn't much news. There is news at 4:15. It's President Trump speaking. I don't know, my mic caught that. It's very laggy. I haven't looked at the charts yet, so I'm gonna set them all up now, which is what I'm doing. Hopefully we can get a trade up in gold or something like that. Make a bit of a win because I have been a bit in a loss. We're not too far down losing. I think we're break even. Yeah, we're break even. It's It's better than being in drawdown, but we do eventually have to pass this account. Sadly, NQ is on B day, so I'm not even gonna look at NQ. This is a terrible chart. Same goes for ES, so I'm expecting a bit from gold, and we are getting a normal variation day. Near midday, I expect consolidation near the middle, and that should make a normal variation day. So we might be trading gold or oil depending on how oil looks. It looks like a P day, and that is brilliant because that means we can take bullish trades. We are going to probably take more trades on oil than anything else at 4 o'clock right now. I don't expect much of a retracement to the POC or anywhere in the middle, but it would be nice. I want to at least take profit by the VWAP and a nice entry near the low after a retest of a gap. Divergence on cumulative volume delta would also be very handy and niche for me. It would provide a lot more confluence, and it does seem like we have our first divergence, showing us a sign of price going up and buyers exhausting. It's not strong, it's not big. Got two divergences, one here and one there. Hopefully volume delta can be positive, and if we break above the second standard deviation, we will be able, it'll be a higher chance as price may want to push up, and the second standard deviation can act as a support of resistance, which would be amazing, would be brilliant and beautiful for us. Though it does seem like it is retesting second standard deviation. If today isn't good, tomorrow will be much better. Market is probably going to be pretty damn ass for the next while, or for today at least, but tomorrow I do expect better movements, cleaner movements. I'm not even gonna look here. Maybe we can get a double distribution retest on the VWAP. Where are we? No, we can't. We check, what am I looking at? ES. There is a gap here, but VWAP is all the way over here, so I'm not even gonna take it, honestly. This is a terrible day. Terrible. I think a while ago I sold out here. Very happy I sold out. As you can see, completely broke. It completely broke my stop loss. Just look at MCL, gold, remaining looking at those two. I said earlier on that the range of gold would be around this height, and I stand correct. Look at that. It's about, I'm only 21 tick, I'm only about 21, maybe less ticks off. It's not too bad. There's a chance oil might pull up last second of the day, or gold might pull up last second of the day and reach that range that I mentioned. It is consolidate. It's probably going to consolidate a little in POC before it moves anywhere else. I wouldn't want to take this day either. If we do lower it down on the TPO chart, though, it will look more of a normal variation day. No, it won't. I don't think I'm taking it. You could take a sell, I guess, but it might be very consolidative, especially how. Oh, would you look at that? If I held it, put my stop loss a little higher. Jesus, put my stop loss a little higher. Would have won that trade. would have hit a VWAP and I would have been profitable. Oh well. My bias is right. Need to be less greedy on the stop loss, honestly. It's fine. Price is pushing further down. Maybe we can get a better divergence. Else it could just be fully pushing down and wouldn't matter to me, honestly. I do not expect much from this day, but I would still like something. Probably gonna end up getting a divergence again, a bigger one, a better one. Which is good. Perhaps we may need 15-minute. We may need to use the 15-minute as a time frame instead of 5-minute, just for more cleaner setups. But doesn't seem like that's the case, and this gap is definitely going to be filled because there's volume here. It's in the middle of the high volume node, so I don't know why there's a gap here. Seems to be news too. It's going to be news in 5 minutes time. Hopefully we can get that push up instead of push down. Take a trade. If I were to take a trade, it would, without a gap, probably be here. Though there is a gap, a massive gap here. It does concern me a bit with a high volume node here. So that would be a target, I guess. Breaks above it, that would be even better. But we still need to actually get into the trade. So we gotta wait now. Oh shit, that's 5 minutes. Nope, 3 minutes time till news. Market is still just pushing up though. That's good. We didn't receive divergence here, sadly, but womp womp. Cry about it. Maybe go 15-minute. We'll see. Yeah, there's no divergence. 30-minute. Nope, nothing. That's fine. It did retest on the third standard deviation, which is good. That's good enough for me. I don't really need CBD then. Especially if the price is just pushing up. I mean, if we look at the TPO chart there and look at the total volume delta for not gold but oil, we are getting smaller, and there is divergence kind of fun. It's not divergent, sorry. Delta, the negative delta is getting smaller, which is good. Good for us. Good for me anyway. I don't know if other people are trading bearish. I would not trade bearish now though. It is a P day. It is bullish. Initial balance initial balance doesn't have anything. It took multiple liquidity lows in the TPO chart. It's pretty good. I would be fully bullish though. It doesn't look like a double B day would form either, which is good, especially how our top here is pretty high volume. It's a pretty big. It's pretty big. Did take poor lows though, which is good. Extreme low filled that too. What I'm looking for now though is just a push up and push up to the bullish side. Yeah, that's about it. Ooh, if gold is bullish, I might take a long here. Doesn't look too bullish though, I'll be honest. Looks like this. This gap. I'll look at gold really quick. Remember that little push up that we might do or might have? There's a chance that could happen. I just can't tell if this is a trend day or a normal variation day. It looks a lot like a normal variation day or a slug day. Though it is potential. It is potential, honestly. Especially how the two POCs of previous day and today has lined up. If we do get massive respect on gold, there may be a chance, or on this gap here, I may take it, especially how it's pairing up with VWAP in a gap. POC is also much higher, or the volume profile POC is higher, so I may take it. And it might try to go up just to get that extra 21 range that I said it was missing. Like I said, at the end of the day, it might try to go up there. There's a chance. There's also a unfulfilled or unfilled gap above it. I can mark it out here on the TPO chart. It's just here. And we are not, we are, I mean, this does look like a what you call that? A trend day, especially how initial balance started off low and it just kept getting higher. There's also constant what you call that? Retracements or pullbacks rather than just swings. I don't see any rotations of price. It is also respecting that gap. There is a chance I could get on this. I wouldn't mind that personally. Yeah, let's say in 2 minutes time we can get in. If it respects this gap isn't too shabby either. Might aim for that high or here. This is our main target, and then we'll let a running contract go through here instead. So this would be like our second take profit instead. My goodness. There we go. And that's why I'm pressing caps lock. We'll wait for this retest to see if it goes good. As for oil, which is what I'm more interested in. Ooh, it did a retest on second standard deviation after breaking through it, which is pretty good. No signs of divergence though. Concerns me a little. There is a small little divergence here, but it's not too significant. It's too small for me. Wish it would auto scale. Is that a thing? The zone I marked out in gold is a really nice rejection zone. I see 2 points being rejected and price moving quickly through it, especially through here. There is a gap here. It's not too significant towards me, but it is where price is more rejected. I see 1 point, 2 point, 3 points. Maybe I don't know if this counts as 3 points. This place has accepted it though. Say we can like enter here. We'll be fine. Ooh, nice. Price went down further. It's good for me. I haven't entered yet. I do want to see a nice retest off this though. Put it here, just in case it fills it fully. If it fills it fully with a, I don't know how much spread that is. 2 ticks, 1 tick. Got 3 ticks. 3 tick spread. If it goes here, 1, 2, 3. Maybe 16, 17. 216. Or I was already here before, wasn't I? 16? Yeah. That is a pretty good retest. We will take that. Please don't leave without me. Well appreciated if you didn't. Yeah, bye. That works. Now, it was a pretty bad entry, admittedly enough, because of spread and what you call that, price just quickly moved up and I didn't want to miss out. My FOMOing? Maybe, a bit. It's fine. It's protecting. Stop loss anyway. What's that? Like a 3 risk reward? Yeah, that's fine. I'm only looking for 2 to be honest. 2 risk reward. I still want to leave runners up here. Do 8 contracts though. It is a bit much, especially how it is near end of day. Is a bit of a concern to me. It should be fine though. We'll let it run. So as long as it's okay if it retests this, but so as long as it doesn't break through into it or under it, we should be fine. This needs to go down 1. Right, oil. Oh, look at that. I need it to break through here. I can't just take the trade. It is a massive gap too. If it can also just retest a different gap, that'd be amazing. I need to watch out for this point actually. I should mark it out. It's got 1 retest here and it's a pretty decent retest. This is a high rejection zone. Or rejection zone or whatever. People outside. My goodness, I am losing. Today is not fun. Today is not fun. If I lose this, so be it. Completely ignored the VWAP. The VWAP was just completely ignored there. No sign of resistance. Christ, neighbors are loud. Keep having to shut the window because they keep screaming outside. Oh god, they're loud. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh, cool. As long as price doesn't break through into that gap, should be fine. Hopefully. I do sort of wish maybe I did wait for another retest. Then again, price could have just shot back up. Like, you never know. Especially with 15 minutes ago, President Trump spoke. Ooh. That is a nice trade. I'd like to get in on that. Was a retest to this though. Bit of a concern. We'll put our stop loss maybe here. To about 3 risk reward ratio. Stop loss here. Why can't I buy? Oh. 10 contracts. 5. 6 contracts. Try 6. Try 6 on for size. Oh, price is pushing straight through that. That is good for me. That is good for me. Now whether I want to take it or not is a bit of a concern. I might wait for a retest here. Price might push back down here, and that would be much more lovely. I want to risk as little as possible. If price could just push back here, that would be so great. Just to fill this gap a little. Come on. If it doesn't, we have another trading opportunity here anyway on oil. It's further down, further up here. We could get a 2 risk reward anyway. Come on, push down a little. Push down a little and then go back up. If it doesn't seem like it, I will just enter. But it is very close to first standard deviation. That's why I don't want to enter. And I'm a bit greedy. I'm a bit greedy right now. Tad bit greedy. This is why I FOMO, honestly. Yikes. Okay, cool. So this is a respected zone here. Price did not break through it. It is respecting... well, they don't really... Price doesn't really care about VWAP right now. Bit of a concern in oil, honestly. As for you, you do not seem like you want to go down. Or are you just being indecisive right now? Hopefully it doesn't shoot up without me. I think this is my winning trade of the day. It's really filling this gap here. Ooh. Come on, drop for me. Drop. If it doesn't, I'm just going to push my stop loss in this up. Seriously. That doesn't seem like it's the case. Doesn't seem like it's the case. Come on. Come on. Let me get lucky. Let me get lucky in oil. Let me get lucky. If I can be a lucky motherfucker, I'll be a lucky motherfucker right now. Come on. Need it to push down. Just need it to fill this a little. Use it as a gap. Oh, for God's sake. 1 minute. What's happening in 1 minute? There's no gaps here. Absolutely none. Maybe here. It's not even a gap. Yikes. Trump, I thought you were speaking. Were you not speaking? 4:15. Trump speaks. What time? This time. Or is this... am I in the wrong time? Forecast filter from August. Am I crazy? Am I in the wrong time? Date 7:40. Yeah. Ah, come on now. Come on. 150. 150, 150, chat. 150. Yeah. Watch it push down here now. No? Okay. Okay. This gap is being filled. I'm just going to remove it. Ah, well, fuck you, price. Because there was a gap here, too. But I don't know how likely it's going to fill this gap. That's my thing. Or that's the thing. You are a shit entry. That's what you are. You're not such a shit entry. Same time, I could have gotten a better one, but whatever. Hopefully price will want to reach up to this, head further up. That would be the ideal scenario. Break this value area low, push higher up. Our account was at 50,065. Hopefully we don't go into low, or hopefully we win. Of course, when I close the window, the kids go back inside. That is bloody annoying. I'm gonna open the window. It is roasting my room. It is summer. Oh, oh, Jesus. Sorry about that. Retest on gap again. This is a very bad retest. It's also now just below. Oh, yikes. Closed into it. This is now a bad trade, honestly. To get out early, maybe. I don't know if I wanna. We'll see. This is more probable. I like this trade. This trade, hopefully we can get a good trade on this. Gold was my child yesterday. Today, I'm not too sure, especially with the last two trades. First trade here. Second trade here. I don't know. Gold is sketchy today. Gold is sketchy today. Hopefully CL can make it. Or maybe gold can make it back for me on this trade. I can lose 3 trades. I only need 1 trade to make it back all. I made a video a while ago how I made $1,000 on gold. This one might be how I lost $1,000 on gold. Oh, come on, go back up. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Fuck, look at that wick. I might have to exit out early, honestly. This is such a shit trade. For no reason. No reason whatsoever. It is a trending day to the bullish side. Markets are just playing tricks on me, honestly. Ah, look at that. It's filling this gap. It's retesting this gap. That's so stupid. Oh, it's going even more down. What? Was? I was only risking 150 here. What? Why am I risking 200? This video is about to be fucking titled how I lost $1,000 on gold. What? Do you not give 2 craps about this? 0 craps of the gap? Jesus Christ. I'm about to be back into, I'm back at lows. Am I? I'm back at lows. Shit. Swear to God, the moment this gets out, like at $0, I'm just out. Else I'm just gonna lose it. I don't care. So bad markets, Jesus Christ. You'd hope it respects the VWAP or the gap here. Annihilates it. Completely annihilates the gap. I'm just making sure I actually do have a gap. Is a trend day, yeah. Slug day maybe, but like... What? It don't care. It does not care. Zero craps. Zero shits of what I like. Of whatever. That's crazy. Zero shits. You lose some, you win some, but this time I'm just losing. CL. It's testing second standard deviation now. Last line of support. Else I'm dead. I'm out. It didn't break it. But I don't know how far I'll retest it. How much will it retest? This is not good. Not good at all. How are we on gold? Are we out yet? No, we're not. I thought there was supposed to be good news on gold. There's only bad news for me. CL. It's retesting that second standard deviation. This is now just resistance. It's not support. Broke through. Jesus Christ, I only have one line of defense. I'm pissed. I'm pissed about this. Oh well. Trade of 8. Yeah, I'm losing about... I'm losing a lot. Let's just leave it at that. About 200 now. Yeah, 200. Watch it bounce off the VWAP now. That'd be fucking hilarious. Please break through it. Please break through it. Don't bounce off it. Yeah, do that. Keep going up. Do I want to take it out? I want to take it out. Such shit price action. Holy shit. I don't know why I'm risking low, but it's not low right now. It's like still high. It's bouncing off VWAP. Going down. That is so stupid. Buyers, buy in. What the fuck are you doing? Sellers are literally running out of power. Why are you not buying in? Buy in, boys. I need you to buy in for me. That is so stupid. That is actually so stupid. Gap. This is a pretty decent rejection zone. Only thing protecting my stop loss right now, especially on CL. This one line. Please do not retest off this. It's retesting off it. Fuck me. It's not a funny day. It's not a funny day indeed. I kind of do wish I did wait for down here instead. Set up here. I'm gonna be so real. If price gets above this, I might just take it out. It's such shit price action. It's bouncing off that VWAP there. It's not a good thing for me. I don't know if I should take half out. I'm thinking. Genuine thinking. I just opened the window. They're already screaming and crying out there and all that. Christ. Can't catch a break in this place. um... Negative 96. 102. It's consolidation down there in CL. Oh, new candle. Finally. It's either... I bet on this candle, it's either it goes up or I lose. It's one or another. I'm betting on this candle. It's either it goes up or I lose. It's one or another. Or maybe it could just consolidate more. I don't know. For a Wednesday, bro, it has no volatility. Zero. I just opened the window. Why are you outside? As I close the window, neighbors go back in. That's insane. Oh, there's news. What news is... Oh, I've lost, haven't I? Yikes. 28 minutes ago, crude futures extend losses after US inventory data. I've lost. Okay. How much am I down in total? Orders, account summary. $1,000. Literally back where I started when I started streaming. Fuck, man. Sometimes market is just so bloody ass. Can we close above this? That would be amazing. And as for CL, I'm gonna keep looking for opportunities. I'm just gonna keep looking. Watch it now retest off second standard deviation go up. Or not. Okay. Got another divergence. Market, what is your plan? How much divergence is there on the top side? Or too much? There's too much is the answer. Might just exit out early. Honestly. I might be done. I'm done trading. This is such a shit day. What a horrific day. We're minus 200. Plus if I lose this one, another 150, I think. Sure hope it's 150. Damn, it's 250. Okay. Buyers. They're exhausted. Sellers are exhausted. Go up. Fucking hell, it's just a non-stop of people crying outside. What is going on out there? I'm just hoping that I lose. Or I lost. Womp womp to me. Womp womp. $46. If price would I ever be lucky enough for price to just whoop? Bet price is gonna close below this now. It's definitely, I can see it wants to. And then when it does, I'm gonna get, it's just gonna run through it. Seven, 6, 5, 4. Look at that. Look at that. Look at my predictions. 1. Yeah, no. It's closed below it. Fuck. I'm out. I'm so lost. There isn't any other news, is there? 6 tear sheets. Nothing useful though. Or 6 even. It's bar later. Might be just done for today. I'm so done with this market. CL. Divergence. No divergence. It's just normal price action. Guess you can maybe consider that exhaustion, hopefully. Negative $96. If we could just push up, I just want to get out. I'm so done. I'm so done with this market. Oh. I can't believe I just bought an 8. Oh my god, I just did that to myself. How much am I down? I'm not too far down. Okay, I'm done for today. Adios. I'm out of it. I'm out of it today.